Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic system updates on the LENOVO K5 Play. To start out, you will have to enter Settings. Here, scroll down to About Phone and tap on Lenovo version until it says you are now a developer. Then, back off, click on System, Developer Options, and scroll down until you see Automatic System Updates. Click on it, and Automatic System Updates will be enabled. Now, you can turn off Developer Options if you so wish, and back off, but that would disable System Updates. So, if this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.